stranger to danger, the squadron will know no fear.
We're off, and no matter where we roam, although the mind boggles is gaggling goggles is sure to find your home.
Runways clear, prepare for takeoff here. We must do our part.
Hark at him, I fear his cabin lights are rather dim.
Chokes away, far out of play, or start. We're off on a wild goose chase,
And a simple mission, position the whereabouts of your farm.
We're off at the last, we're blown into kingdom come. We won't be back until we found my mom.
Excuse me, sir. Cattails advancing from the rear.
What? Cattails do not advance, barnacles. One of the things they're most famous for is being rooted to the spot.
Hello, Ducky. I thought I'd lost you.
Stand back or I'll peck.
Oh, be still, my quaking legs. I'm going to be Goose.
What are you doing here?
I've come to take you home. Your mother is carrying on something fearful.
My mother? You've seen my mother?
Of course, she sent me to fetch you.
Listen here, Cat. I'm in command around here, and my squadron has taken personal charge of the duckling's safe return to his mother.
Well, I wouldn't try flying at the moment. Haven't you heard? The guns.
You will commence maneuvers as soon as the shooting party is over.
It's their party, but we'll fly if we want to.
Silence in the ranks.
Little joke, sir. Maybe I could be of assistance. I will go over to the chute, then I will let you know when they are packing up for the day.
Very well, but no funny business. I know several ways to skin your type.
It's like taking candy from a baby.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dot. I'm your senior flight attendant. On behalf of Captain Greylad, I would like to welcome you to this afternoon's flight from boggy marshland to some far-flung farm. We will be cruising in an altitude of several feet, flying in a rather attractive V formation. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, we ask that you observe the safety procedures that we've been through so many times before. We hope you had a pleasant journey, and thank you for choosing Goose Air, the fluffy skies.
We're off to ensure this duckling is not so glum. We won't be back until we found my...
Coast is clear. They're putting away their guns.
Are you sure?
On one of my lives.
Good. All right, men, final check. Oh, and here's a parachute for you.
For me.
You don't think I'm going to leave you here at the duckling, do you? Oh no, puss, you're coming with us.
So cat litter.
Our wings are spread.
So don't delay. Our accents flags are stowed away. It's time to fly. They're off to try and find the farm, and when they find the farm, they'll find my mom, and we'll be together every day. Okay, I'll be waiting, come what may. So I'll say goodbye to a pitbull chum. We won't be back until we find my mom. Thank you, goodbye, good luck, thank you very much, thank you, goodbye, good luck, thank you very much, goodbye.